I hope you appreciate this video on the kitchen faucet at Casa Sol, because this is take number 43 of us trying to make a video that is helpful for you. All right, when you arrive at the house, you'll probably see that the handle is in the up position. And if you notice, when you go to turn it on, you're going to go, oh my gosh, there's no water. That's because this faucet has a sensor that allows you to turn the water on and off. Right? See? Wave to turn it on, wave to turn it off. The handle is still in the on position. Now once you have the water on, you can use this handle much the same way you would a traditional faucet. Cold is in front, hot is towards the back. You can also add pressure, run it to a slow trickle, right? And if you've had the faucet on for a short period of time, you can also use that handle to turn it off. That's because the sensor has a 3-minute timer. So it will allow this faucet to continue to operate, or this handle to continue to operate the faucet for 3 minutes. But if you walk away, you come back in 15 minutes, and the handle's in the up position or off position, and you wave your hand over the sensor, it won't turn it on. So it's real simple. You know, use this handle how you want. If you're doing dishes and you're constantly active in the kitchen, you can use this handle in the traditional sense. But just remember that if you haven't used it in a while, you'll need to come back, turn this handle into the open or on position, and then use the sensor to turn the water on and off.